time to cook with Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Now you out there in your own house, we'll show you what to do.
We'll give you real good recipes, and you learn how to cook with ease.
So let's have your attention, please, while Minnie cooks with you.
You'll find out that pots and pans can be a lot of fun.
And for you boys, there'll be a lot to eat before we're done.
Now everybody, here we go. And as they say,
on with the show. You'll be the best cook in your house, cooking with Minnie Mouse.
Just go to your cupboard and get a box of Minnie Mouse cookie mix. And mix it well. Then roll out your dough. And with your cookie cutters, cut out all the little friends you know. Like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, Pluto, Chip, and Dale. Put them on a cookie sheet, bake them in the oven. This is no fairy tale. Leave them in the oven 8 or 10 minutes at 375 degrees. When the cookies are cool, ice them and decorate any way you please. One important thing to remember when your cooking's through: clean up the kitchen real good, make it shine like new. So there you have our recipe for cookies, Mouseketeers. And when you serve them to your friends, you're gonna get 3 cheers.